guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the May Bellabox, so let's get into it. So this month the box is back to the traditional blue in the new design. Definitely feels more like a Bellabox now that they've got it in this colour this month. So yeah, can't wait to see what's inside. So it doesn't look like it's a theme. I guess the theme is May. It just says May Bellabox. And we got the products. So the first thing is this Frieda Violet Crush for blondes. Now I've used a bunch of these products over the years, and let's just say I've never been impressed. I feel like it's just a waste of time and a waste of water in the shower having to put this through my hair. I'll definitely give it a go. I've not had very much luck with these in the past. So this is just a sample size. The full size is 250 mils for $17.99 at Woolworths, Coles, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Meet your new favorite purple shampoo. With crushed violet and blue pigments, this formula counteracts yellow and orange tones to keep blonde looking cooler, lighter and brighter. So yeah, I'll give it a go, but I have received these in Bella boxes before multiple times and they weren't ever really anything impressive. Next, we have another Frieda product. That one is the Luxe Volume Volumizer. Okay, cool, we get it, it's volume. Bit disappointing to receive two Frieda products in the box. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, there's only so much hair products one person can use. This one is just a sample size, but the 212 gram full size is $17.99 at Priceline. Progressively strengthen hair fibers to create and keep volumized style with a soft, natural feel. With protein strength complexes, heat activated hair voluminizer transforms fine strands for stronger hair. That's what the little bottle looks like. So I think it's kind of like a leave-in product, keep your hair voluminous. I will chuck it in my hair bucket and see how I go, but you know, who's got time? The next one is this one. It is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. So this was obviously just the sample size, but the full size 48 ml is $81 at Sephora. So it's nice to, you know, receive some higher end products in the box. Drench your skin with moisture drawn right from the atmosphere. This heavenly moisturizer is a complex cream concentrated with 30% hyaluronic acid and transforms vapor into fresh water from the clouds. Expect a burst of intense hydration lasting up to 72 hours, rich in antioxidants thanks to elderberry, which defies aging and wrinkles. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to try this. It's a higher end product and you can get it at Sephora, and yeah, I love hydrating moisturizers, and hyaluronic acid always sounds good. So yeah, I'm actually keen to try that one out. So the bonus is the Palmolive Rose with Macadamia Oil Body Moisturizer. We've received this a bunch of times in Bellabox before, so nothing new, but I don't really moisturize my body. Like, my body isn't dehydrated, it's my face. So if it's dehydrated, so yeah, maybe I'll have to use it on my face if I ever run out of moisturizer, but yeah, not really something I've ever really reached for. Next, we have this Bean Body Caffeine Eye Cream. Treat yourself with the Bean Body Caffeine Eye Cream. It is made with vegan-friendly and cruelty-free natural ingredients to target tired areas, dark circles, and fine lines. So this is just a sample. Although that's a pretty decent size sample, that is 20 mils. So, except you can buy the 20 mil size. Maybe it's supposed to say full size, I'm not sure. But this size product, the 20 mils, is $15.95, available at oznzbeanbodycare.com. So yeah, I definitely need to give this one a go. It's definitely a very generous size sample, and eye creams are always amazing to receive, especially in this size. So yeah, I am keen to give that one a go. And last, we have the Essence Cosmetics Mosaic Blush. So you could have received a bunch of different products. Yeah, so I think there was 6 different products to choose from, and we got the option to choose, and I chose this blush because I have a million mascaras waiting to be used, and I didn't need a rainbow highlighter and just things like that. So I thought the blush was definitely the safest choice. The Mosaic blush is in the shade 35 Natural Beauty. It's full size, 4.5 grams, and it's $6 at Target and Priceline. See, that's the blush. Definitely very neutral and pink, and I will definitely give that a go. And I was excited to receive a makeup product in the box. I know Essence is still extremely affordable, but nonetheless, it's still exciting to receive a makeup product. So that's it. So this is everything we got in the box this month. The bonus I kind of don't judge in terms of my rating of the box. It's not an oppressive bonus either, but again, I don't include it in my judgment of the box. This Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer, I'm actually very excited to try this out just because it's a higher end brand, and obviously I can't afford to, you know, buy an $81 moisturizer, so I'd love to at least give it a go. The John Frieda Violet Crush, we've received these blonde toner things before and they've never worked. I guess maybe my hair is too dark of a blonde, or maybe it only works for dyed hair, I don't know. But at the end of the day, they've never worked for me. I'll still use it, but I know going into it that it's probably not going to work. The eye cream I'm actually really keen to try out as well. So I always love getting eye creams because my eyes, you know, they are showing their age at this point, and I definitely need all the help I can get. The other John Frieda leave-in thing, I'll see if I get to using it. It's just, I prefer leave-in sprays than leave-in creams, and you know, I work every day. I don't really need to do my hair too often, but you know, I'll hopefully give it a go nonetheless, but it's not something I'm very excited about. And the blush, I'm actually keen to give that one a go. I know it's not the most expensive product, but it's definitely exciting to get a makeup product, and especially when you can choose what you get as well. So I'm glad I got to choose a blush rather than getting any of the other products, just because I wasn't keen on any of them but just a blush. So yeah, pretty excited about that. Overall with the box, I don't think it's the best box, but it's definitely not the worst either. I'm sort of 50-50. So I love these ones and I'm not so keen on these, but considering one of them's a bonus, I guess you could say majority I do like out of the box. I think you definitely get your money's worth, considering this eye cream is worth almost $16. And this sample is of an $81 thing, and that's $6 itself. So even just with these 2 products, you've gotten your cost of the box back. And they're both products I actually am excited to try, thank God. So I am keen about these, but these just don't really tickle my fancy, and that's okay. But I guess I've just never been big on receiving hair products in the box. I would prefer skincare and makeup, makeup more so. I'm not really a big hair person, so yeah, it's 50-50 for me on this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box this month and what you guys think of what you got, and what do you think about what I got. Did we get anything similar, or did we get something completely different? Yeah, let's have a combo in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next month's unboxing. Bye guys.